Yo, what's popping gang, welcome back to Fast and FX Home of Blues. It's another video guys, and I'm so excited to give you another next week focus analysis of the next week market. Right, so the previous video that I did upload, that was last Sunday. The focus of the previous week that just ended turned out to be so amazing, and yes, we made only blues, no red. We never saw any red. So today I'm going to just give out analysis also for the next week, right? So I'm just going to focus, then we should know what to do when the next week comes. So if this is the first time you're watching this video, kindly stick around, or if this is the first time you came across this channel guys, we are always late, so stick around guys, and maybe after watching the video till the end guys, you might consider smashing that subscribe button, and I will highly appreciate gang. Right, so guys, let's head over to the analysis. All right gang, so welcome back to the analysis, welcome back to the printing money machine. All right, so I'm looking at Euro NZD. This is the same pair that I also analyzed last week, but then I'm still bullish on this joint, right? Despite me taking some shots over here until price went all the way down, I'm still bullish game. Okay, remember the same joint, the same way, the same analysis that I talked about guys. Look at this. Of course, we can see, let me just show you, price went all the way up. This is the let me just remove everything, let me just delete everything, okay, and then start again. Look at this. This was what was happening. This was the first touch over here, then the second touch, then now the third touch was this joint, right? But then price broke that, then also that was, let's just call that a false break. Then price went all the way up, then now came back down. Okay, so to understand why the price came down guys, I also saw something. There was still a support that price had to go back and retest. Okay, look at this. This was amazing. Okay, that's another. Now let's start the confluence. I believe I also have a video that I talked about 3 confluence that one should look out for before taking a market, before taking your buys or the sales. So there were 3 guys, right? So the first one guys, we just have to identify what's happening. This is the general direction. It's an uptrend, so we have a support over here, right? That's a trend line. Okay, that's the first confluence. So now, of course, this video, this chart has so many confluence, but let's go using the 3. Maybe we'll get more confluence, more than the 3. So the first one, we have that support, that trend line, showing us that now we are still in an uptrend. You can see that price bounced off that support. The first touch it bounced off, went up. The second time it bounced off, also went up. Then the third one also now is trying to go up. Now look at this guys. I think you can also see a reversal pattern over here. We have a W being formed, right? That's a double bottom guys. Look at this. The first bottom went back for neckline. Now the second bottom for us now to go back, right? So should be this should be the neckline over here, right? That should be the neckline. I believe most people will try to take a buy, probably if it breaks that neckline, to target maybe 181 pips. I think you can see that W clearly. But then I already am in this trade again. I'm already up in this trade. I'll just show you that. So now that's the second confluence, a reversal pattern. We have a double bottom, right? So now let's go back to the 1 hour, because now we want to take an entry on this joint. How did I take the entry? Now we have a trend line. Of course, I told you how to take those entries again. I told you how to take those entries, right? So we have that. Let's just make it clean on the 15-minute time frame. I already told you in the previous videos what to see before taking your buy or your sell entry. Okay, remember the 15 guys was still in a downtrend. Okay, so now how did I take this buy entry before this movement happened? Look at this. We had the immediate high was this joint over here. This was the immediate high. Okay, so now back to the 1 hour guys. The same analysis, the same strategy guys. Wait for candlestick, a bullish candlestick to close. Look at this candlestick that closed. That was a bullish candlestick, a very strong indication, Marubozu candlestick, and that's what's up. That's a very good indication for us to take a buy entry. I believe that's where I did take a buy entry, when that hourly candlestick closed. Okay, stop loss below this joint. Okay, Now my target of course should be all the way up, all right, over 200 pips. So that's what's up. That's the easiest way, all right, that's the easiest way. So for now I'm still in this joint, I'm still riding all this wave, and then another conference. Of course I've already touched the 3 conference. Another conference, guys, I've used Fibonacci tool again. That's the 4th one. So this joint has so many conferences to give us a bullish bias that now we're going up, right? Look at this again, clearly look at this. Let's just show you, let me just show you. So this was the resistance zone that was broken, then I took that buy into over here. So now when we extend this, as you can see, let me just extend this joint. If you extend that clearly, look at this line, that was the 61. Price came down, gang. This is the 61 zone. Price came out down from this, then rejected. I have a video about Fibonacci 61. I talked about the 61 and the 78, the way they're always powerful reversal zone, all right? And that's another conference. So for now I'm already up. Let me see, price has given me actually, let me just see, price went to my direction up to 53 pips, okay? Then now the market closed back to 30 pips. No, there's no problem, I'm still holding on to that. That is Euro NZD, gang. Euro NZD is still amazing, all right? So let me remove this. I don't need that Fibonacci tool either way. This was just another arrow to just tell me to still hold my buys, right? And then I'm not going to stay too long. Of course, I said that the target should be all the way up to this zone, but now I'm targeting around 90. Either I should get out before price hits the previous side. At the same time, you can see we have this resistance over here. So price might still go back like this. Price might try to hit that resistance like this, then now pulls back, okay, just to tell us that now it's still in a downtrend. So I don't want to go that much long on this, right? All right, so this is another hack that I want to talk about, guys, where to place your stop loss. Okay, so let me just draw something, let me just show you something. Let's say that the market's giving us higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low. Then let's say you've just taken your buy entry somewhere like this, or after price breaks the structure, of course. So this is now your take profit, okay? So your stop loss, of course, should be the previous low, this chain. Let me just show you something crazy again. Previous low, that, let's say that's your stop loss, okay? So I'll just draw that, So we have this, oh come on, we have this. That should be the previous low. But then of course now when you take your buy entry, that means that of course there is still another high over here, okay, that has been broken. Okay. So you have a demand and a supply zone, okay? So this is a supply zone, then this is a demand zone, okay? So now if price, let's say you did take a buy, but then price catches you up with a false break, then does this instead of going to your anticipated direction, then it comes down. Alright, now the only thing you need to do is wait and see before it hits your stop loss. Now let's talk about the mental stop loss, okay? So now what you'll be doing is just wait and see. If price closes bearish below the support zone over here like this, then close that trade, okay? Close that trade, then now say, okay, now that means price has changed direction. So now my buy entry is done. Of course, now this is what you'll be doing. The lower time frame, you will see something being formed, a reversal. Okay, that's a reversal. Let me just draw that. The lower time frame, this should be what is happening. Of course, look at that. So amazing, right? So now you'll be waiting for structures to be broken. Of course, now that means that the previous low was this joint. So if price has broken this joint, then now close your trade. Don't cry that you've been taken out. Take a sell entry immediately. Make your stop loss above the previous high now, all right? Then now target the previous low, whichever. Take your sell immediately. So it's only the two way. You either buy or you either sell. That is what I usually do. I either buy or sell. If price takes me out then I know, okay, now the price has really reversed. I don't know guys if you've understood what I've just talked about. All right, it's either two way. You either buy or you either sell, and then look at what the price is trying to do. If you do not understand what I'm talking about, guys, kindly rewind this video, and then understand all this that I've talked about. Okay, understand that. If you've not understood what I'm talking about, please, you have to rewatch and rewind the video until you get what I'm talking about. It's either two ways, guys. We either buy or sell. All right, so this strategy, that's how it works, gang. Okay, we only do with the structures. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Price has broken this high. That's why I've taken a buy. All right, but then I also have a low over here. Okay, that's a low. This is the low. Okay, so now that means if price reverses on me like this, then closes that way, my friend, gang, the market has changed. There's nothing I can do. I'm just going to take a sell entry. Boom. Then now my stop loss, the previous high should be this joint. Then now let's go down, because that is what price is doing. The other one was just a manipulation. Target all the way down. This joint. Target this previous low. Okay? That's how we do it, gang. That's how we do it. Alright? So you just have to understand what the market is doing. You just don't have to hold on to your losses, guys. Cut the losses early. If you see that market is doing something that you did not anticipate, understand what the market is trying to tell you, then change. I have another GBP/NZD. The GBP/NZD also, I've taken a buy on it. The same way I've taken a buy on Euro/NZ, but then now I'm still in a drawdown. Same explanation, guys. Look at this. This is the first touch, the second touch, then the third touch. And you can see so many times price has respected this joint. Look at that. We also have another double bottom over here. First, second bottom mode. That's another double bottom within a double bottom. The first bottom, the second bottom. Rather, we still have a bottom and a bottom, right? I believe you can understand that. But then I did take that entry at the hourly after price broke a structure. Okay, this is the bullish candlestick that broke that joint. Then I did take that buy entry. But then still in a drawdown. Price went to my direction. Let me see. Just gave me 18 pips, but then I'm still in a drawdown of about 30 pips. I don't have a problem with that. Okay, so you have to have a plan B. Plan B is this. This is the previous low. Okay, it's either a buy or a sell. And if the buy does not work, then automatically it's a sell. Okay, so now that's what's up. If I see that now this joint goes down like this, price reverses on me like this, then closes bearish, gang, just accept the loss, then change with the direction, because you don't have to go against the direction of the market, right? So that's easy. But then generally we're still in uptrend. So those are just the things that you should have in the back of your mind, despite you checking your entries. Okay, still have my bias that this joint should be going up. This joint should be going up. Still have that bias. Okay, should be going up. It's just that now the market closed because it was on a Friday. I did take these entries yesterday, so I'm already in 2 pairs. So those are the entries you should be looking at. So man, this week GBP/NZD should be going up. Euro/NZD should be going up. Let me just look if I can see other pairs that we can get something. So just that's how we do it, gang. Don't just complicate things, gang. Euro/NZD, no. I don't see anything there. Either way, let me see. NASA 100. Let me see if it pulled back. Not yet, no pullback. So still, right? Still going to stay away. USD ZAR is still down. Okay. So this is what's up. Nothing great. But then, all right. USD ZAR. This is what's up. So USD ZAR, I believe this is a pullback after it broke this joint over here. After price broke out from this support. I don't know if this joint is oversold, I don't know, but I can't see any structure. So for me to take a buy entry, I should see new highs and higher low being formed, and then the structures being broken just like that until we target this joint over here. Okay, so that's what I should be looking at. So I need price to break above this resistance. It's not a resistance, it was a support, but then it was broken. So I need a price to break out of this resistance. Okay, then come back for a pullback to retest it. Okay, now if it retests it, then that means we have a new high over here. That is when I should wait. That means that of course now this is a new high, and then now we have a new low here. That's amazing, a new low over here. Okay, because now I can't just take the trade just because now I've seen these green candlesticks. No, this joint is still in a downtrend, so I just have to see new structures being formed and being broken. So if price goes up then comes down, then now respect this previous low, then I should wait for this higher high to be broken, this joint, then now take my buy entry over there. Okay, then all the way target all the way up. That's what's up, around 400 pips. Okay, then stop loss now should be below previous low, and if that does not happen again, then now price has to break this low. Okay, now to just give us a continuation that now this joint is still in a downtrend. Look at that. So it's either the demand or the supply zone, demand or supply. Okay, so this is the joint. It price has to break either of the sides, so we just have to watch what price wants to do. Okay, easy. That's what's up. That is now USD ZAR, but though I'll not be taking that trade either way. I'm still in this two trade, Euro NZD and GBP NZD. Aussie, I'm not going to take that. I don't see structures. Price has already gone all the way up. In fact, my last week analysis, the take profit should be this zone. I talked about take profit bring all this high, and you can see it went past that. So if we did hold on to our position, probably we could have smashed 179 pips, almost 180 pips. Crazy. Okay, all right, USD card. I'm just trying to avoid the markets with the dollar. Just don't trust the dollar anymore. USD card, let me see. USD card, we have this. I'm seeing something. All right. Okay, so this is just like a reversal pattern. You guys can see that's crazy. Looks like a reversal. All right. That's nice. Let's try to understand this market. Okay, this is USD card. Already it has gone up, but then no problem. Trying to understand what it's trying to do. Okay, let me go back to the you just have to understand that. So the previous high, the immediate high was this zone. Was it? Let's see on the 15. Let's see on the 15 to be more clear. Alright, so the previous high was this joint. So that we just missed out the buys on USD card. Okay, so let's go to the one and see if we could have taken a buy entry on USD card if we saw that earlier. Hey gang, we just missed out that. So that rejected either way. Probably this should have been my buy entry either way. Over here, I don't care. That should have been my buy entry, then target all the way up. Of course, my first take profit should be this joint, second over here. Okay, so let's see if we might have a pullback. Let's bring in our Fibonacci tool and see if we can have something. So that's the previous zone there. So 61. Okay, so USD card, we should be expecting, if there is a pullback, we should expect a pullback over here before we go all the way up. So in case you get a pullback on USD card, then I believe you should take your buy entry. Okay, take your buy entry, then target first take profit. As you can see, exactly the first take profit I talked about this joint, and you can see that's another 61 zone. This is amazing. Those are conferences and confluences. All right, look at this. The downtrend is done. The downtrend is done again. The downtrend is done. Okay, downtrend is done. Taken out. Right, first touch, second touch, the third one, then taken out. The previous high was this joint, taken out. Crazy again, crazy. Right, so USD card, I should add that on my watch list too. Let me just add on my watch list. That's crazy. All right, so let's see. Let me look out for another NZD card if we can see something. So seems like NZD card just moved the way I've just analyzed the USD card. So probably this was a sub game. Look at that. So I don't know if NZD card and USD card really correlate. And if they do correlate, then that means NZD card moves fast, then USD card follows. Look at that. So the previous high, I think, let's go to the 15 gang. Oh, I think these joints correlate. I don't know, I've not done that research, but seems like this joint correlates. But then NZD card moves fast, then the second movement, the second one to move should be USD card. So crazy. Look at that. So the mid, oh gang, look at this. Of course we had this, should have been the immediate high, but then prior this also okay, that's okay. But then we also had another high over here. So if you did take your buy, let's see to the one now. Come on, wow, that's crazy gang. Oh, I can see also another reversal pattern again. I don't know if you guys can see that. We have a double bottom within a double bottom. First bottom, then the second bottom. Another one. Look at this reversal. First bottom, neckline, second bottom, and now price has gone over there. Come on, why didn't I see these, man? Oh man. Oh, then I believe USD card will still make same movement as the NZD card has already made. So now let's see. Oh man, so let's say that this was the highest. Of course, now we've missed this joint. Price has broken this high over here. So let's see if we miss that entry like we've just missed on the USD card. So the highest point was the lowest point was this joint. Then price moved all the way up. Alright, let's try to understand this joint clearly. Wow, crazy. Is it? So that's nice. Well, how did this joint start? Let me just try to understand this, because they look the same like the USD card. So if price broke, of course, now you should have taken that buy entry over here. Okay, stop loss below this joint, or rather this low to be more safe. Okay, then target the highest point. Come on, this should have been. Oh man, I missed that. So I believe USD card should make. In fact, look at this. So price is going to target this high all the way up. Oh gang. So this should have been the take profit. Yeah. I don't know why I did not see this joint. Come on man, why did I not see this? Oh, this is crazy. So now let's see. Already price up 254. Dang, I missed this. But then USD card, I'm still having high hopes for USD card. I believe it's also going to do the same. Look at that. These joints are really looking the same. If you guys can really see that, they look the same. Like this should be the take profit. These joints are really looking the same again. Oh, so now let's just say that price has already gone. But then let's hope for a pullback. If we get a pullback, gang, I'm going to take that buy. I'm going to take that buy. I won't hesitate. Stop loss should be this previous low over here. I'm going, oh god, Monday, where are you? I really wish that Monday should have been today or tomorrow. Come on, gang, come on. Where is Monday? Monday, where are you? Monday, man. Monday, man. I don't even want to look out for other pairs, man. I'm okay with all the 3 pairs. I don't want to look out for more pairs. I don't want to add more pairs. Gang, I really don't want to add any more pair. I'm just happy with this. I don't want to get more confused. The 3 will be enough for me for next week, the whole of the next week. Look at this. If you just target 200 pips, then maybe Euro also gives you another 200 pips plus. It should be crazy, gang. GBP should also give you another 200 pips. You are done. Over 600 pips, gang. Guys, I really don't want to look out for other pairs. I don't want to see other pairs. I just want to relax. So I believe those are the pairs that I should be looking out for next week. So you guys should open your eyes, gang. Open your eyes, all right, and see. I've already given you the 2-way. If that buys that don't happen, then now look out for the structures to see if the sell patterns are being formed for you to take sell entry, right? Alright, so I'm tired of talking, guys. So this is the end of the video, guys. So if you feel like you've learned something, guys, smash that subscribe button and the like button, and see you next week. I wish you a successful trading week. Alright, until next time, gang. Adios, amigos.